How to use coins on AliExpress. On AliExpress, coins are a virtual currency earned through daily tasks or promotional activities. You can use them to get discounts or products or exchange them for coupons. So basically, open the AliExpress app, go to My Coins in the Coin Rewards Center, then browse the available discount coupons or special deals. Select the coupon you want and exchange your coin for it. Or you can also use coupons at checkout after this. Add items to your cart, at checkout, apply the coupon you got with your coins to reduce the total price. Coupons often have minimum spend requirements, so ensure your order meets the condition. Then, occasionally, AliExpress allows direct use of coins to get discounts on specific items. You can look for such deals in the Coin Rewards Center again. To maximize your coins, log in daily to keep earning coins, participate in promotions like flash sales and events, also keep track of coupon expiration dates to avoid losing rewards. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.